Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us. For anybody that is on our Facebook and Instagram live, do one thing for us now, please. Just head over to the share button and share the link and forward over some other people. You know, because we have big bad artists, one LawdGawd. I keep saying one LawdGawd, but at the same, one LawdGawd.
It's only one LawdGawd out there.
It's only one LawdGawd out there. You understand?
Yeah,
Ladies and gentlemen, LawdGawd is in studio. And if you want to take a pre on what is, you know what, sir?
No, we're hot. Yeah, we're hot right now. You know
right
what the is.
Okay. Welcome to the Upnlive show. It's been a long time forwarding.
Yeah.
You know, but nothing happens before it's time. You know, we had that conversation earlier today.
Yeah.
How have you been? We always check in with everybody that comes. How was the quarantine? How was 2020 for you? Let's start there.
2020 was it's obviously in terms of quarantine, it disappointed for everybody. But for me, it made me just work harder, and I did a lot more marketing with the social media, you know, with the Instagram and the unity that was going on.
Right.
It was a good look for me in terms of the music, because it get me to where I am now.
Right.
Because of quarantine. So a lot more unity is happening now. Even if them a fake it happens. Beneficial for some artists.
Right.
Yeah, so and me can say it beneficial to me right now.
So LawdGawd, I really feel like cinema fake the unity thing. Honest opinion.
Yeah, honest opinion, me think some people, obviously, some people are real to it. Everybody have them goals. Some people just use the way, forget to where them need to get to same time. And then some people like
just
genuine. You know what I mean? It don't take me nothing for share a next artist post, because what is for me is for me.
Right.
You see me? No other artist can stop what me forget, because me believing in me. You get me?
Right. Okay.
Right there.
Right there. So basically, make we start from the beginning of time. So originally from East in Jamaica, St. Thomas to be exact.
Yeah, man.
East side. Baller.
Yeah.
You know, little kick with the That was your first love.
Yeah, football.
Football was your first love. So what happened, and how did the transition from football to music take place?
I've been asked these questions like a lot. And for me, football was always my goal, my dream to be that. You know, music was more like my mother's passion, you get me?
Right.
My mother was an artist, so big up Pepper Art anyway there.
Okay.
Some people in London might know her, some might not.
Okay.
You see what I'm saying? So I've born in a music, so I've been doing music, but not professionally. Football was my first focus, because that's the talent I thought. You know what, this is it. I played for Jamaica, all of them things. I played for St. Thomas, then I go to Jamaica for the national. So I thought that was it. But since I moved to the UK, I realized in the UK, it's not just about talent when you're on the football pitch. It's about the physicality. I know, so I'm short right now.
That's
but
true.
I'm not short at nothing, but I'm short at nothing. You see what I say? So, all right then, so football now. And when I do music, I did music. I was in a skanking crew in Birmingham. I was skanking a party and them thing there. And I had a song like called Selector Pull It Up. Right. And when that song was getting rotated at the party, it made me feel like, you know, so me actually have talent for this music. And obviously, I know my mother, I know what she got you, I see what she got you. Right. So when I start doing it, I see people are gravitate to it, and I say, dog, you have a voice, you have something about you. And then in 2019, that's when my first say me I go take it serious in 2020. So me young basically I do music serious for like 2 to 3 years. Right this way.
So you say you was a dancer, right?
Yeah.
So in terms of that dancing aspect of you, what do you do? Do you use it to enhance your performance on stage, or you load the dancing?
No, alright. You see for now, my kinda the dancing right now, me not ready for show them that yet. Because watch this. I want a proper you see me performing. You see performing. Performing is my main goal as an artist right now.
Okay.
In terms of entertainment, I want to entertain. See, so one time I couldn't do that in the quarantine because I did just there in front of a camera in a live.
Okay.
So I could show them the real effect of what I can do. See, so when I get a stage, when I can plan it, when I go see dancing, when I go see me with dancers, when I go see everything, when I go to see the full, when I go see me a dance too.
So we're going to get the full performance at that time.
Yeah. When I was saying like dance, I was talking to something like what Beanie Man do in his performance, but him like a skank, you know.
Yeah man, no man, me always
because I see you perform before, and to me, you don't look like a skanker.
Yeah.
You look like you have two left foot in that.
Yeah.
That's how you look to
a
me.
real mates. Because right now, since we take out the music, I kind of rest the dancing a bit. And just focus upon the musical side. But me know say, you see, that will forward again in terms, when you get comfortable now in your craft. Me just feel like say when me get to what me need to get to, them I go see all of that because you can't give them everything in a one, You can't give them, they say now have room, you have to leave room for improve.
As well as you have to make sure that your craft, you're developing on whatever it is that you're producing for. So you know what? Half dance and half sing. You want fully sing, fully dance. Fully DJ and get the choreography right, because Dragon say think he did have two left. You don't want that. You understand, right? Transitioning from football to music and quarantine, or let's say COVID-19 lockdown time period, we see LawdGawd put in some work. What pushed you to take the route that you took to do the marketing that you did? What was there something specific that happened that says, okay, all right, now is the time for me to do this? Or was there, you just get up and say, all right then?
No, so basically before I came into the music, I kind of studied and say, what can I change about this?
Okay.
Why is there so? Because I've seen a lot of great artists in the UK as well, and in Birmingham, where I'm from.
Right.
But them never reach to a level where me can say yes. When I go to Jamaica, me can say yeah. Me know that me hear them name a call or anything like that. So me say I wanted to do something different. So I take the football mentality that I had to and bring it into the music, because with football I've met a lot of corporate people. Right. I've been a lot around a big. Me see a lot of. Me been around a lot of big professional football, and me see what it take for reach to this in terms of the football. So I think music I'm a main thing now. Right. So I'm taking that same graph that I had for football, like the energy. Me I go training, me I travel from Birmingham, go all the way out London for go football, Wales, me go all over with football. So I'm go even Brazil with football. Okay. So this is how me I say now, so I take that and say, you know what, I'm going to do that in the music. It no matter where the music there. It no matter where in the place. I could go in the baddest area them in the world, in London. I'm not scared to do it because I know what I'm going for.
And it's your passion.
And it's your passion and the energy. You see, whatever energy you put off, that you go get. So I can go in the baddest area them, but my energy, good. So even bad man, I go respect me. And at that, you can't buy respect, you have to earn it. Yes. And at that, my philosophy in the dancehall music.
Right. Yeah, right. Me have a little question for you now.
Yeah.
This name LawdGawd. Is that two questions in one? Or you come by that name and do you get any backlash for that name? Because a lot of people who is biblical would say you're calling out the Lord name in vain. And like, if you do a double barrel name, if you say LawdGawd, I hear a whole lot of people say this God and that God, or this Lord or that Lord. But I never hear they put two of them together.
Yeah.
So explain that to us now.
All right. I love this question because I like to educate people why me use the name here.
Go ahead.
So first I was Young Lad in a Birmingham.
Okay.
The reason why them call me Young Lad because Alkaline was my artist. Yeah. Okay. When I was dancing and all of them things, the Alkaline in my era. So them used to call me Young Lad. So I said, when I start the music now, I said to myself, say, I can't use Young Lad because Alkaline don't have that already. Right. So I said, I have to go find a name with just as bad
as Young Lad.
We can get the people and for open up them ears, because your name, your outfit, everything is one. It have to go with your artist's character. Right. Yes, so I say me have the character the long time. Like me know for draw, me know for make the crowd, me know for get the reaction of what I want and the attention. So I made a song. One of my songs them I made on the lifestyle rhythm. It named LawdGawd. Okay. And the reason why it named LawdGawd, me sing about Christian girl in a church. Me sing about the controversy. And when me say that song there, one of the songs there with the people them love, me know say it go cause controversy, but me just need it for open up people's ears.
Right.
And it did what I expected it to do. It caused the controversy, but people eventually start loving it. Right. So when me say me I go change my name now, me realize that everybody are saying LawdGawd. Oh, you're so bad one, LawdGawd. I'm say, all right then, a LawdGawd me I go call myself. Right. The reason why I say that as well, me say, I need a name for them all to call my name, even when them not mean for call my name. Say it upon live, enough time I hear people, LawdGawd, I get a body. LawdGawd name, still a call, LawdGawd. People book them two, them say LawdGawd. them have sex with them girlfriend I say, Lord God, you go kill me. I mean them attack. You see what I say?
Call him name.
So I just saw everything planned.
Okay.
The name is planned. So when I think, I never did I think nothing about church. But I just think about a name where it will get people to talk about it even when them don't want to talk about it.
So you pick a household name without that big hit song.
Mm-hmm. Strategy.
That's
Big
smart. Like you are the only artist I know where combine this name where everyone know these two names because what them say are the higher powers. Them call him Lord sometime and them call him God sometime. I Lord of the Father and God I will. I see him smart.
Just louder one day. Yeah.
So I think well played.
Yeah.
Well played.
It a work.
All right. So 2020. Obviously, we forwarding off 2020. You did a lot of tracks.
Yeah.
You did. You dropped a bag of bombshells on us. And based on the number, I can't say 6. Was it 6?
6 tracks?
Or was it more than that?
Me have more right now. I don't
probably me hear about them.
No.
Yeah.
There's probably
Oh
more.
no, true. 2020 or 2021.
2020.
Yeah.
See,
Would I say
we
that?
did right.
Would I say that? Yeah.
About 6. Right? And out of the lot that you have produced, is there one that is your most favorite, from writing to in the booth recording to performing? Because we so touch on the performance side.
But no artists never like choose them favorite song.
Well, we got
ask you.
We ask which one is your favorite?
All right. You see my favorite song?
Yes.
It named Don't It. Believe it or not, I Don't It is my favorite song.
Out of every one of them,
Out of every song I do. Don't It.
Why is that one?
Yes, the reason why I said Don't It, I have never heard no one with that flow. Up to now, and me can't see nobody with replicate that. Right now. And me alone can do that.
Anybody want to challenge him on that one?
What me do? Unless them are going to copy me. I just saw it go. If them sing like that, all them are going to copy me.
All right, then.
So later on, we will make the public them vote.
And you're going to hear the flow.
No. You don't know the steps to go. Yeah. So you said Don't It is your favorite. All right, and because of the lyrics as well as the flow.
My flow, it me feel comfortable when me I do it like, and everybody me make hear it.
They must say, LawdGawd.
Them say to me, say, you see that song there, and that song there, me feel like if I promote it more. That every big artist, some big artists when me go around, and that's them favorite.
That's the advice that you're getting.
That's the advice I get about that song there.
Okay.
So I'm say every time I play it, me realize it. You see it?
Yeah.
Let's speak about your craft a little bit. Do you ever get any formal education or training in terms of music, voice control, or things like that, or keys, bars, and things like that? Do you get any formal training?
No, I have never been in a studio. Only once.
Did you go in with mommy?
I can say no because my mom don't. You see, now that I'm doing music, she don't have the time because she's in the church now.
Okay.
So she can't focus on me because
she not one of them girls who sing about no.
No.
Okay.
She can't hear.
Just check it.
She can't hear the song them when me sing.
Yeah.
She can't because she
you don't want to. No, we're not gonna do that.
She do it at church.
Yes.
But there's only one time I've got when me in a studio voice a song. I got like talk through and forget the sound I really want.
Okay.
And that's with Temper, New System.
Big up yourself, Sir Temper.
So I have to big up New System and I feel like it did, because the song I released it, but when you hear it, you go see why I say
difference.
Him help me in that way in terms of music, and producer hear it different from the artist.
True.
So I just write the song.
Cool, no, man. So and then let's talk performance. So the first time I saw him performing live, like, so with that one showcase, Breds, big up yourself, Magnum Fridays team, big up yourself. We're at Magnum Fridays showcase. We're gonna rally back and go and ease and enjoy the vibes and everybody, And I see this. Obviously, we did hail you up on beer things.
Yeah.
And thing, and then certain people just go missing and rate. And then them say, introducing LawdGawd. I'm see this ombre forward out. Me I say, him does say something dash up on his shirt. Like, he does say paint or something catch him shirt. This, your style, your dressing is quite different. Your presentation is quite
outfit.
Him got outfit. Brother, remember say you had on a sweater? A jumper or something? Him did have on a jumper and a jeans, and I just want to rally back and I enjoy the vibes. And all of a sudden, LawdGawd name forward. And my G forward out in a white with bloodstains. Explain the concept of that outfit for that show.
All right. So for that outfit, then, I plan it. I plan it because I plan the structure of my song them. So if
Your
you know,
right.
the structure of my performance, the song choices, the reason why I go out in the blood because I know I go sing a lot of grimy song at the start.
Yeah, shooter man.
Yeah, at the start of my
Right.
performance, I go sing a lot of grimy song. If you notice, when I take off the blood, or when I start singing for the ladies,
Right,
I
right.
take off the blood and put that there so. Because I don't kill now. So a time for my woman them now, I have to clean like Jesus. So I just full white, you see?
Right.
Just with the red hat.
Right.
That's it. But so that was planned. Because it have to make sense. Me I walk out and I know my first song gonna be one grimy song. It have to, so me have to forward out with something will look grimy as well as
To match it.
to match the song. Even my intro was grimy.
Very. Because
When me I walk out on the thing say, oh, who this now?
a madman.
All right.
True.
So all of that was planned as well, and it take my rehearse. So me I tell you now from now, my rehearse before I go to Magnum Friday showcase.
And we can appreciate that because you could see it in the performance that was given.
Yeah.
Big up his dog. Big up
Yeah, we go
yourself.
now.
Big up yourself on the one day.
Where's the Upnlive I go and be things and one LawdGawd there as artist, and may I ask you from an artist perspective, how would you feel like if someone kept a show tailored to like Sting, like a UK type of Sting?
Yeah.
So you have the regular performance, then at the last bit of it, you have two artists
Clash.
going
Head to head.
head to head or toe to toe at it,
Toe-to-toe,
because we
whichever
don't really
one.
go head to head, you know, Batman
Yeah.
toe to toe at it. You know what the thing go?
Yes.
Yeah.
How would you feel about something like that? If a man link you and say, LawdGawd, you have to go shoot after a boy, you know, how would you feel about that?
How would you feel
All
and
right.
who would you think would be your best competitor?
All right. You see, for me can't plan war. You see through me like in war there's no rules, you know. So they can't plan with me and tell me say me can't say certain things. This is what it is. If somebody a go shoot after me, this is my everything. And in order for sure say yo, I'm capable of doing what I am singing about.
Right.
Yeah.
Me can't plan it, so nobody can plan it with me. It have to just up my man, if it diss me now, I'm just say, alright then, you diss me, you're artist. So music, me I go diss you back in the song, and me I go tell you everything where, even if you don't notice how me sing about the girl song them,
Right.
Yeah.
I'm not scared to say anything.
No,
Cause me sing some nastiness in the girls, so
Yeah.
me just a
Yes.
you know example.
Right,
Yeah.
right,
If
right.
me for go in a clash, I'm not gonna be scared to say certain things.
Yeah.
So if you don't have a dead mother, dead father, it a go dig
meant
up.
to forward
It a
up.
go dig up and just so the thing go.
And will
it's all about
It's
the
lyrics.
rules of engagement.
Yes.
It's a war.
Yeah,
It's war,
because
and
yeah,
like
personal.
me like the war, you know. To be honest, me like the war side of life.
Yeah.
And at the end of the day, if somebody kept a show like that and he tell you, like say, I would like you and this person to go toe to toe.
Yeah.
Would you be the first to fire the first shot, or you'd wait till him to do a
Wait
diss
till-
song for you to build up momentum for the show?
Not even said to build up momentum. A man for this me for me this him. 'Cause
So
that's-
if you
that's-
and somebody
that's-
is going to war, you know say you want to book on a show
for
to
do
go
a
at it,
for do a clash.
go at it, clash. We had to wait till the night of the show. You come and sing your song the man spot. Would you like to build up momentum, make people kind of know the
See
song
you-
them
yeah.
before you actually go on the show? So when people hear them, they can say, yo, a big song, that song they're wicked.
Yeah, so this is what I'm saying. It have a build up. For me, the artist I am, me know I'm capable of.
Right.
I am not gonna diss an artist because somebody tell me for diss them. Them offer diss me.
Do you consider that as disrespect or just
It's
healthy competition?
Healthy competition,
Yeah.
music, this is what I say with clash. If you notice, all of the clash them were going in a dance hall. And no plan clash.
Yeah.
The man
naturally.
them go deep. If you look on Cartel and Movard, if you look on Beanie Man and Bounty Killer,
Right.
some of the biggest clash them when me grew up and I listen to a dance hall. Nothing there's no plan.
Yeah,
So,
but hold
Those are rivals that
Yeah.
coming from a long time. Cartel and Movada that spiraled out of control because there was a situation with Killer. I'm talking about Kip Rich and the Ninja Man and the Merciless and the Bounty Killer and everything what unfold that thing over the years. Those are just two artists and the lady saw and this and
And
whatever.
everybody.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
Me
I
just
seen that.
talk about somebody invite you, say like, listen,
let's
I'm
do a
giving you
clash.
X amount of money to clash this person, him getting X amount. When you share the money, him
Yeah.
get fee piece of food, you get fee
No,
piece of
that
food.
can work. That
And
can work.
When I come clash and the winner get all of the bragging rights and say you
Righty,
body and
righty.
get for showcase
Yeah,
your
man.
skills and your talent, because an idea you have people who's good writing songs.
Yeah.
But it's not
But not
everybody's
good
good to
performing.
deliver. Because some of the time as an artist, people want to test your
The whole
skills to
package,
see how
yeah.
witty it is.
True.
If a man sing by your shoes and spot,
If you can diss him
you
back.
can't say, wait, you come out in the army suit, let me just make up some power.
Yeah, man, that can't. That, yeah,
But a
right.
wittiness,
But,
about
but,
that.
but we
Garrett.
know that about you because you're very witty with your lyrics. If you actually listen to some of his songs, you will see and you will hear the wittiness and the what do I say? You're very sarcastic. He's extremely sarcastic in his songs.
Yeah.
If you listen to it, you would have think say, I want joke him I make.
Forward on the stage with the blood dip on my shirt. Try style me as a freak because me make
Stop!
them jealous.
Right, this gonna
Brett say look like me hack him phone. So here we go on now, Brett. Remember my brain very witty, you know, so somebody can come clash cause you see if I keep that clash there.
We dead there.
Me,
Put my eyelash.
here we go on now. Me don't want it one way just art alone. We have to get
No, I want some DJs.
Some of the vloggers them clash too. Not even DJ, we tear that sound clash.
I like
We have to get Daniel Blesh and somebody. Anybody and Daniel Blesh in a feud, and we get them come clash.
Trouble.
Trouble.
So how the vlogger them with a feud though? How them with a clash?
Remember vlogging is very mixed up, you know.
Vlogger clash, I know. Who's a clash?
Vlogging
Everybody
is very
else.
mixed up, you know.
Just give us the date
I'll
and
promote and clash now. So
true.
I don't know, but I like to see what go on. What them
true.
out do. Remember, Danny Bless, if you clash with somebody, you can't come sing no song.
True, you have to choose one of your talents. It's
So,
either you're a promoter,
We
a
have pick three
vlogger, or
things.
an artist.
We have pick three things. Either
First one.
You take up your boxing gloves and we just draw one like a ring.
Yeah.
And when you go ding ding ding.
I punch it out.
Punch it out.
Yeah.
Don't backy.
Our next one, when you cuss, we give 5 minutes of cussing.
Because yeah,
You get 2.5 the chat, and the next man get 2.5 the chat.
5 minutes.
I will decide who's the winner.
Or
And the next one is
artist.
no, we can't go artist cause so if the next man is not an artist.
But Danny, you must can find one artist with
I choose still no.
Danny, but don't listen.
I when I say artist, we are talking about vlogger because
vlogging. Okay, cool.
Remember, you know,
All right.
Nobody knows if when Danny Bless ready, you know, Danny Bless go
Make
after
them know.
artists.
Make them know.
Yeah. So anyway, we just ideas. Putting
Just
them out
idea.
there.
Brad just let us know the dates.
Yeah.
He's thinking about it. We see you thinking.
So anyway,
continue thinking.
We're not stray off
We're not straight off on the
pointing.
topic because LawdGawd is our guest tonight and he's the main focus. Scene.
Yeah.
So you've dropped a couple tracks for 2021.
Yeah.
And we're gonna. Do you wanna? Is this where you wanna? You wanna load up?
We're drop
We're
one
gonna drop one of
track.
them.
Yeah.
Him did forward and ask me if we can play raw music on air. I'll start. Do you think?
And that song I like, you know, cause here we go on now.
Do you think?
From what there?
Yeah.
No grass can't turn in the yard. No bush can't turn in the yard. No little weed, no nothing.
Nothing.
Everything gone.
Drop his song.
Yo, do what's up? Just tell him to fall too close up. You know what time it is, man. I don't like God. Yeah. All of the man. Y'all never have the melanin. Yeah. Chopper man, chop. Stacking up the bricks just to buy the block. A belly out, some my mother can relax. No tell me about the rent, no tell me about the benefits. Chopper man.
We not play it out. We don't know why.
We don't know the drill.
We don't know the drill. We not play it out.
Go on Spotify,
So,
go listen it.
chop
Go
your
on
choppy line down.
YouTube. Go buy the song.
Yeah, choppy line.
Line up a chop.
Like so you know, give a link for choppy line too.
I'm a friend, them a chop it. I love it.
You're sure?
Yeah,
You're
I'm
sure?
a chop it.
By the chop grass to the brother. So 2021, what is your strategy for we reach more than half of the year with the August now?
Yeah.
Jesus.
Yeah.
4 more months till the ending of 2021.
Yeah.
What is your strategy to push yourself further from where you are now and to get yourself to the main goal of being one LawdGawd,
Yeah.
full package of entertainment? What's the strategy?
All right, so my strategy is planned. So for this year, I plan to just let everybody get to know LawdGawd.
And how are you going to do that?
And it's because of me doing the traveling, doing the networking, doing the whole heap of song them want to see me I do now. Next year, that's not gonna happen.
What's going
We're
to
not
happen
gonna
next
get
year?
more focus on one song and then do a lot more promotion for the one song.
Okay.
For make it stay in people's head.
Right.
Right now, I just started, so enough London people never know me. So
No.
they can't just focus on one song. Nobody will know me yet.
Right.
Now that everybody know me, at least one song. Every radio station, every live we go up on at least one LawdGawd song I have to play. Why?
Right.
Because I do so many.
Right.
So it's hard not to play one.
You have to
because
choose one.
You have to choose one where you like. Some people like Chopper, some people like OnlyFans, don't it? Whatever it is. So that was my strategy. Do a lot of song this year. grind. Every producer have a song for me.
Right.
When you know seeing at the live them. The reason I make the connection. Them send me the rhythm, me no hesitate. Me no say, me no know you
Can't bother
already.
that one,
No. From the rhythm bad in my ears, me do it. That producer will always have respect for me. That's what I say. The main thing in the music is respect. Gain the respect first. Don't buy the respect. Because you see when the money done, your respect done. You see me?
Say it again for me, now, please.
When your money done, your respect done.
Talk a
So,
little louder for the people them run I
Just like that.
Well, and in terms of buying respect and plays and stuff, do you have artists really going out here buying them songs for play and buying respect?
People, people are buy views, people are buy everything, man. People are play a bag of money for select to play them song. LawdGawd has never done that.
Yeah.
Me gain the respect of the people. Them
The
know
work
say me
ethic
have
speaks for
the
itself.
work ethic. It pay off. Them know. Now them know say the artist say you know what, take him serious. When people take you serious, when you take your own craft serious. If you are going to turn up to a stage show, take it serious. Plan your outfit, plan everything. People watch that. People watch the way you walk. People watch the way you stay before you perform. When you perform, everything them watch. So make sure say you master that first before you are going to gain the respect of people. And that's what me aim for first. Once you gain the respect, people will always support you. There's a lot of producers now in the UK who say, them have a one LawdGawd song, them a wait too long for other people voice it. Me don't voice it already.
Yeah.
Me voice it and leave it up to them. When them ready for release it, them
Them do
release.
it.
Me not make them a wait for me. Me a wait for them.
And I
That are
hope,
the aim.
So,
I hope persons on the live who are artists, like you're making valid points and things that people can do to uplift themselves as an individual, because you talk about presentation is key, time management is important, respect is quite important. So them little things that ladies and gentlemen, because I'm going to include myself in it because we're a part of the creative industry, we can take away things to develop ourselves professionally and personally. Big up yourself, because I do like the mindset that you have. And with that mindset and with the network that you're building, you will get very far, and you definitely will get the support that is needed.
Yeah, one little question now. So you say you're there London on a promotional visit. So do you actually make the rounds in the party them?
If me do what?
Make the rounds, like you got all the weekly party them.
So all right.
Make the rounds them because
And show your face.
make the rounds them because if you're on promotion, I think as an artist your responsibility is to make yourself be known at all time. If you're doing promotion, if you're doing street team.
Yeah.
So do you actually go and make the rounds? Don't go into the party and stand up in the corner
With your friend.
No, sir.
with your friend them.
That's not me. You see me?
You
at
need to
least
go make yourself known and
Yeah.
even sing a one song or try sing a one song.
anyone at the party them going now. First of all, when me there in London,
Right.
me always go for support the other artists them.
Right.
I kept a party in Birmingham. A lot of the London artists them forward.
Right.
That make me say, you know what?
Support.
Respect is key. I must respect them. Respect me for forward. I'm a
Right.
party.
Right.
Them travel all the way. Them book hotel. Lot of them. So when me try for I'm only one man. Me try to go each and every one of them party.
Support.
Way forward at my party.
Yeah.
It takes me a lot. It takes me a lot of spending. I probably lose more than way.
Your
Them
day.
would have spent for
Right,
reach
right.
of mine
Yeah,
because I just
because-
one of them and I one party. Me I go every single one of them.
Right.
Party. I go style. I go shanty. I go whole heap of them
And
party.
we've seen you. Yeah.
I want to see me there.
definitely.
And when me there, me no in a corner. I want to see me.
Right.
Me
Yeah.
I make sure so I see say me there.
Yeah.
Fully
Yeah.
active.
When the artists them song I play, my boss me blank
You
them for
blank
them.
them.
Even when the artists them a perform, other artists, me make sure say me start the blank them.
Right.
So if the place boring and me
Yeah,
start the
liven
blank
it
them,
up.
it liven up the
Right.
other artists them. Because it not take you nothing to do that, you know. It not take nothing out of me. Me not lose no
Support.
sleep for do that. So this is what me I say, and that are my me. Me can't be nobody else. Some people more reserved. Some
Right.
people will stay in them because me can't beat them for that. That are just them.
That's
for them
just them.
personality.
Right.
My personality is me learn that from footballers. Me I say, you have to when it in the game, when in the season and the game, them a get rough in the
Right.
snow and that. You need a teammate them for pull you along.
Support.
So me just have that team. Me can be a team
Team
player. Me can
mentality.
also stand on my own.
Right.
Yeah.
But teamwork make the dream work more.
Right.
So I just believe say that are my way of changing the game.
Right.
Me show them how you support each other. Everything them post, me make sure say me comment. If any one of the artists them post something, I see it. I comment all the time. Why? That one comment is good.
'Cause
You have
it
a
helps to
loyal
build them.
supporter. Everything what me post, them comment now as well.
Right.
Because them say me I give them back that strength. I just say it, go, not take nothing to do that. I saw you that you call unity.
And we need more of that in the industry.
So well I know. Let me just ask this: if I disagree on in the business, if I support I go on. Is it a support or
In
you
some,
are you a support the artists who you like their craft? Because that the truth and all of them good, you know.
No.
And some of the time, me see some artists who are sing fuckery and get support, not because of friend.
Yeah.
Sometimes if I tell the friends you're fuckery, and if my friend sing fuckery song, me now comment, if me comment something under you probably block me, you know.
Yeah.
So me I wonder if you are one of those persons who can talk to your friend and tell him the truth and say, yo, song didn't sound good, you know. You want to fix up, you know.
All right. This is for me. Yeah, so when I say, me for understand the music. See, most of the artists who I know now, me now go say, them are my friend. Friend. Because we just know each other. We're building that friendship.
Right.
Me have my friend in my Birmingham.
Right.
When me can more say to them, say, Ray. If me tell an artist now, we're in the business, a certain thing, them are going to look on you like, oh, you're criticizing the thing. Me not build that connection yet.
Right.
That's what I aim to do.
Right.
So me can tell them can learn from me and me can learn from them. So that's what me try to do. With just like anyone me go in the world, me try to do that. Me try to be comfortable because if you're in a place with me there in London, I have family, but them not the music, them not in the dance hall.
Right,
so the people them in the dance hall, them are gonna be my family.
Right.
So I have to treat them like that. So I have to build the friendship, get to know them more. Them forward in my place, I go support them in my place.
Naturally.
Yeah, but hold on 1 minute, LawdGawd.
Yeah.
I'm not saying you should bash their music.
Yeah.
But some of the time, don't play that hypocrite of guessing a song and coming into that song something good
If it's not.
when you know the song is shit.
Yeah, no,
Like,
all right.
if the song is no good and you say, oh, this me not like, you know, don't comment.
Yeah, no. For me, the artists that want me always comment are the one them want me know. Say that song is good, and first, what the next thing is, me see them a put in the work. Always. So if you no check, River one of them want me see I put in the work all the time. I always comment. Because my sister him try something different than what the other artist. Him now just focus on the UK DJ.
His strategy is quite different for real.
I'm learn from that.
Yeah.
Me see be a different type of producers. I play River song I play Italy, I play all over. So what me do too? Me say, all right then. That are the thing too. So the same thing me try to do.
Learn
Me try
from the
Yeah,
experience.
so him one of them when me can talk to like that. I'm just a meet him. But there's certain other artists me can't tell that no because them are gonna take it defensive.
Yeah, the ego
But-
gonna get involved.
But Missy said them will see it. Some artists now go come out and say them are gonna learn from you, and what you are doing, you know. But I know that they are. I know. I seen it. I see people change them entrance now because
Based
of
on
my entrance.
Right.
And me know that for a fact. I see people now just go up there and take microphone no more. Everybody are reserve and walk out like a star because of that you want to be.
And that's a good thing. If you can learn, you can pre somebody else,
You
and
see
you
me?
can learn from an experience and
I
incorporate
don't
it.
want people to get this thing twisted. Don't take work rate or hard work for good material.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Because
true.
sometimes we see some people promote the hell out of crap.
True.
Every day you see same fuckery in your face by
True.
Instagram.
Leave that phone.
That's true. Because some of the time, if you want this industry to be better, you need to be brutal with the truth some of the time when it's necessary. Now, I'm not saying you have to go out and disrespect somebody
rude, yeah,
and knock
yeah.
a man confidence.
naturally.
But if you and that person talk on that level, you can't tell him, say, yo, brother, you know that no good dash away, you know, because I think one of the things is mashing up the UK industry. You have too much yes man
Yeah.
and too much NOC.
Yeah.
Groupie man around you.
Definitely.
So you can 3 years of arts, you can buy a buckle of NOC a party. You have 2 man beside the baddest thing. And me about to select them from night. Some of the time, the artists them groupie antagonize the blood clot, selected them too.
Yeah.
So in a that word, them fi stop it. If your friend song not good, tell him say, yo dog, you know that song not ready, you want to fix up.
And on
Cause some of the time, the song is so fucking generic. It's so
And
ABC.
true, ABC. And
the,
on-
the
and
rhythm
on-
of fuckery, the flow no good. You can't find one positive thing about his song. You say, Lord God, what is now?
You hear that? You see that?
See, and,
Yeah.
on
See
the,
that?
and on the other side of it too, the artists themselves, when you're if you consider your brethren, and your brethren said to you, yo, Dragon, you know, say, me really feel say that one that it. you can't get in your feelings because you must
time.
genuinely know, say, your brethren is giving you constructive criticism and is looking out for your best interest of your craft. Because obviously we want to see you win, you know.
And some of the time, you have to learn to take those L
right.
and turn them into
double.
double.
Right.
A whole heap of time I go dance, you know, when me I just do this, you know, I play a fuckery, you know. And them cuss me and say, yo, I be a fucker, you playing a youth.
But you take that as a lesson. Go back to the drawing
board.
board.
Bex, I feel embarrassed. Me want to leave all the dance. And
you know what, but I play
whole
again.
blood clot day tomorrow, me there my yard, I mixing and practice, you know.
Right.
Get me thing pump, you know.
Exactly.
When me see them again, I murder.
Right.
So, you know.
You learn. So you learn from those experiences.
Prime example. Me give you an example. Me have all different type of friend. Me a friend who love badness. Me a friend who just love gal. Me a friend who just more like positiveness.
Right.
You see what I say?
Right.
All right. When me make certain song, that's how me make be a different type of song. Because me be a different type of friend as well. So them a go like certain things. So when a friend hear me sing type of song, him not go rate it because that an a theme genre. So when me explain to him now why me do the song,
he understands.
Him understand why me do the song. So this is what me I say about some songs where your friend just a go guess everything. Some of my friend them tell me, dog, on my song this, you know.
Yeah.
On my song this, you know, but me see what you do. That's it. That me alright with that.
Yeah.
Him tell me say I no theme song that.
But your other friend
but my other friend will like that song, I go say, yeah, dog, you the song, yeah.
Right.
That's it. So your friend them have to tell you. That's why I say my real friend them where they in Birmingham. Them can tell me send them the song them.
Right.
Them tell
Get
me
their
which song I for them song. I may accept that. And when them tell me say them not like a song, I say alright then. Me mom tell you, me do this for a reason. Me not do this for go play upon BBC One Extra.
Right.
Me do this for the party and the dance because at this the
people them want.
At this I work in this so because certain things where you say I work in the dance. Look on Lali song tipping it too. That I work in the dance.
Right.
All right. So I don't want to blur the line.
Yeah.
But I just need to say, in terms of songs, you have songs for different reasons. You have songs for different moods. But some song is straight up garbage.
Yeah.
It's for no fucking mood.
That's true.
So some song are garbage.
Hands down.
That's what I was talking about. I don't want to blur the line.
Naturally.
Some of them song, yeah, are for this mood and some are for radio. Some song are fuckery. Right.
Right. That's all right.
Ladies and gentlemen, LawdGawd is in studio with us. It's now 90 minutes to the hour of 11 o'clock. Him tell me personally, you know, say him watch the show every week and him know the strips go. So we've reached to this segment of the show. You have a water? You've been drinking your water? That don't look like water, that look like alcohol.
Water this one.
Dragon and Star, a year part of the show, you know. So,
all right, so you are
take it
now.
away. Big Zeeks, pick up yourself.
You know the strip, so you go. Me I play a rhythm. You spit some lyrics and you know. Meanwhile, me I play the rhythm. You change that. Me just so throw in some whole heap of surprise in the show.
Yeah.
So go on, do your thing.
Let's do your thing.
You ready, LawdGawd?
Yeah. Yeah, man. You know, say the voice of the one LawdGawd I represent for Brumtown. In a real life, when me say again, hey, if them ever this, them a go dead, oh yes. If them ever this, them a go dead, oh yes. If them ever this, them a go dead. If them ever this, them a go dead. Bro God. This time of my friend, you must say mad. Must say one LawdGawd put in a body bag. Hey, me take your life, come in name LawdGawd. Them a tell me say them bad, but me know them ain't bad. Bro God, this time of my friend, you must say mad. When me pull up on your ends, you better run nobody drugs on me. Pop it off, fire 1 in 9 back. Ready for mix? Hey, I want me say again, friend them now go on them. Them like the ball them. In the kind of war we got the rifle and the bomb them. So me like them up and gas them. Gunpowder tear off like stand. Alright then, turn it up again. Make her hear it. Girl your body right, your pussy tight, don't it? Bring another girl and make me rub it too clean. Trees my what me love, so me a promote it. Better than the rest, so you have to admit. Hey, pussy where you carry little like a phone chip. One bust in your belly and you have to vomit. Look for the clip, but me could you find it? Cause it little like the eye them for the China. Set it right there so make it hard fuck your hard. Alright then, Upnlive, I the one LawdGawd. What me say again? We know the one I going to be a badness, you know. In the camera themselves, look. Upnlive, you know what bad? Alright, We a live the life for everybody. Say them afraid of London, know where the toughest thing in the area. We no see no pussy down there, so what me afraid of when you looking at me eye. You see the real danger. Be a killers come from jungle, them group up in a bungle. Me no see no pussy out there, so when me can angle. Looking at the triangle, everything I get dismantle. Me full of gun, give me your life already, thank you. Kill them quick, then kill them, gal. Shall I grip no funeral? Bloody coat like mineral when me squeeze up the 40 can. Bust them head and leak it out, skin get black like them bleach it out. Turn on the cake like speedboat, yo. How with them dreaming bout? Big up seafood, then the shrimp man disappear cool out. Violate and get to attack them, mama green gun, them a gun back. You love them like punching back, mama cry. Cause something sad, March out 2016, them get silent like lip sing. Hey, we no see nobody out, that's how we fair. No disappear. We no see nobody out, that's how we fair. No disappear. Them dead. You know why you don't wanna know? What a style ya. Alright then, what me say to them? First walk a gunshot, me done chat. Say them run the place with the wheel the puncher. One LawdGawd no know other number. Place a fish shake up and time me roll the thunder. Born for this, and no talk do this. And me eyes never melt when me shake me wrist. And me say straight away, career fade away. Me no see them from the other day. Them no one give me my glory, cause them no know me. So them try them best to put them friend them before me. Make me tell you a story. The girl them love me, cause them say me looking like the lazy Tory. Give me my glory, you can't ignore me. Uncle no for win me, I forget all the victory. One Lord van a trap. Let me tell some artists. Hey, me say some on the cut. Don't size up the coal and go know a try and no still can't bust. All of us don't know a hype up. You see the one lad that deal with the place rough. Hey, play the rhythm same way now. Cause we not stopping now. We not ease out, you know. You ready again? We're gonna chop them now, you know. A Birmingham we represent for. Give me a mix, huh? Turn it up. What me say? Chop 'em on the chop. Boom. Stacking up the bricks just to buy the block. Hey, we believe you some me mother can relax. No tell me about no rent, no tell me about no benefit. Chop 'em on the chop. Hey, champagne in the on the rock. All we are trending. Firefox are we turning up the street on the level to the max. I swear if you not chop this here, it no make no sense. Dash with the old one and get a New Testament with the illegal of a UK resident. Naming at the street like a knife cut permanent. Hey, we own the banks and fuck the brinks. Set the trend, rich like a sweaty yam. Money stink. Turn up the rhythm, we hear the next one. Wanna know when I play with people, you know. In a real life, a Brampton represent for dog. Wanna know why? Want me see again? Yo, London, hey, rise up the 4-4-matic. Put it rapid and clap it. Tell me them a killer, them nah kill nobody. Banana clip, turn up like it's a corner kick. Run out of breath and the see say you asthmatic. Think me shot down, me got an extra clip. Pull him up a binds. Tell me pull him up a binds. What I be a big long gun when the Lord march out. Sniper rifle shot you from far out. Broke up boy bone, there's a little pop scout where them hear about. And we a lucky wall town. Top of the Nelly left you all the play Shelly. Brixton Crichton, them Mr. Panaberry. Load up the cake and me ready with them ready. We got the gunners them from Ivory. Aye, be a killers they a Brixton nil. You this the team, you know say your blood we spill. We bust your head, Meagle be a so we skill. Put shot in a motor, we no give no bill, no fingerprint. Make yellow finger him go fake a fin. If he dead find me sin, no phone no sim. We nah leave no evidence. Pull up on them ends and kill all of them. Rise up the 4-4-matic. You see that rhythm now? Let me show them something. Yeah. Watch a rhythm, watch a flow, yeah. Alright, watch a style now. Alright then. Boy better leave him, cause I bat him and I lead him. Say, I go kill me, bumble, hold myself, he start dreaming. 12 gauge binds him feeling, bike a wheelie, psycho feeling. Now get no pussy, so you know him, little island ride him. Now here's some styling. Then before it reach him, the right shot echo when the time that beat him. Girl shine good loud and full beaming. When they talk them see him, more pray every day, but that couldn't save him. Turn up the rhythm. Party, we are party, you know. Them never know some of all them party song, you know. Ya go on this one a dub. You ready? Hey, selector, pull it up. Pull it up. Dance with your dance place, I fi mash it up. Selector, pull it up. Pull it up. Hustle with your hustle money, you fi stack it up. Selector, pull it up. Pull it up. She want me now more, so me you fi pull it up. Selector, pull it up. Pull it up. She a wine pon the table, the glass buckle broke. So when me say, boss a 6:30 no Bambi. See how them ready me up? Alright then. You know, say I sweat, we are sweat. No, I work, we are work. Them dead. Aye. Watch your style. Me I go give them a different flow. Alright then. When you see me just a looking like me last year. Me no last me just a looking at me dance and now. Pretty much time them really try to stop the Lord, yeah. Come me know say them no enough in me class. And before the COVID thing have to stop me that at them task, yeah. We are the future, them in the past, yeah, yeah. Success come with a cost, and I love for just bad mind in a them man. Every time you're too big, my lad, them will take you for a fool. And this is why me not trust no one. This is why me not trust no one. No, no. But then the doctor coulda, the cat coulda, the director coulda, any type of human. This is why me not trust no one. This is why me not give me a mix. Let me tell them my name. One thing me know, them not go stop me show, cause me no puppy show. Got a flow, no me career grow, and it a stop the door. One LawdGawd that the wicked, disappoint the valid now. Work hard for reach it up and no make money carry ya. They go reach the quick but quickly them a sink your ship. Cause in a the pandemic them find out say you sang them shit. In a this a pandemic it find out who made for this. No me not go pay for this, me grind for this, not no limit. Yeah, yeah. But every time when you reach man a level, see there?
Ladies and gentlemen, we're go buy the man
one
song.
LawdGawd.
Them.
Is the only one.
One.
Is the only one.
Go buy the man.
No.
Go buy the song them.
Yeah.
That's how I make it.
I feel like I want to test him skills, you know.
Me say a bag of fire upon
Feel
the
like me want to test him skills.
You play one more?
No, me want to test him skills.
Alright then. Ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, well, no, I want to play
LawdGawd.
one rhythm because, you know, I play hip-hop.
Yeah.
No, I play dancehall.
Yeah.
Then I go hip-hop.
Yeah.
And you know, enough of them young artists, yeah.
Them not versatile.
Them can't write some of them rhythm, yeah.
Right. So drop
So you see, when you play some of them rhythm, them drop off and chip up and be a thing.
Do your thing,
Test him
brother.
skills. LawdGawd,
Yeah,
ready?
yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah. From me little and I grew, them a tell me some curse. Never rob a bag and me never grab a purse. So my boss boy it make it like you look like it a squirt. And when me say again, alright then. Brum City, boy violate city bucket and kicky. Pan mother so them can't chat to me anyway them there. Then you know me gon' go feed them. Brum City, boy violate city bucket and kicky. Pan mother so them can't chat to me anyway them there. Know me gon' go feed them. Walk man a walk up and a ride up and drive up. Know them no bad, but them still a try to size up. Nah beat no boy, and me nah give you no knife cut. Straight bullet in the chest. Alright then. What I wanna know? Play the ready, make it go on. Yeah, 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 yeah. Let me say again. The one here for the fathers, them are out there, you know the thing going on. All of the fathers, them are out there, you know. Them know the thing go. Alright then, hey. Can't believe you're gone, me can't believe you're gone. All of the memories in my head. Hey, me can't believe you're gone, me can't believe you're gone. All of the memories in my head. R.I.P. Boom. Only but tears in me heart, cause me no know how me granny a go take it. Me granddad gone to the mark, me heart in me chest, you know me say you break it. All of the memories, you gone to the cemetery. You mean a lot to me, cause you are the backbone in the family. And again, me can't believe you're gone, me can't believe you're gone.
Yes, you know. People on the live, I want to see more fire up on the screen for
People want to
LawdGawd.
say LawdGawd go on.
Like, me not
If
see
my go on, say go on. Oh, you see it?
Listen
We have
to
to test
me.
them and we have to go reggae style.
Listen to me.
You know the
Dog,
thing, go. No shimins around here.
No shibits. You pass the test, my G.
Yeah, yeah.
Big up your BBC self. Right there, so. Listen to me. Ricardo Royal say bad. Bag of fire up on the screen.
So what you are going on?
Mikey Bashman say lyrics them fully balanced. Like,
See, you see when I go some of them ready, man.
yes.
Me I tell the sound man them.
Yes.
Say, the artist ready for start cut some dub, so
And make sure
you
son
can
have no
send a local
dirty money.
150, you know.
Send
And
a
local
dirty-
2 bills and
yes.
something, you know.
Yeah.
When you
Support
can-
the thing.
When you can sing it, when you can send them ready, man, him can sing it, pan it come
Him
go.
can
you know
do
the thing
him
go.
thing.
When you have to splice it on and put it on where them and it a drop off. Send the rhythm come get the artist and the artist can sing it
Deal
pan the
with
rhythm
it.
too.
Me have
Yeah.
Me have one last song to sing. Can you play about the last with him there?
Sure.
Remember, I want to get that song out.
Right.
Because it's
Which
an
song?
awareness.
Which song is? And introduce the song to us.
This is an awareness because there's a lot of fathers out there. Them now do them job. So they make it bad for the one them way. Do them job.
Right.
But it just take patience.
Right.
Sometimes the baby mother them have to have patience. When a man a go for him goal, sometime he have to make sacrifice.
Right.
It might be sacrifice the time when him spend with him youth, but he might do it for the benefit of him youth in this life because everything hard. So me just want to know say sometime when the mother them and the father them now go on good and then you know son youth them sometimes it's terrible in the man them head And this way I say that the only way to get to certain man art. And the ladies them know that sometimes so that them use because them can't use nothing else. So me just want to sing that song here. For the fathers them, or the way I try, big up on yourself, on the live or everywhere in the world.
Right.
Where do you see me, man? Yay! I want LawdGawd. Hey, nobody knows all the pain that me feel when you keep me away from my kids. Rain fall from me eye like rain, and nobody a true for me pain. Nobody knows all the pain that me feel when you keep me away from my kids. Tears fall from me eye like rain, and nobody a go true for me pain. 2 days feel like 2 weeks, 2 weeks feel like 2 months, 2 months feel like 2 years. And me feel when they can't see me youth them, come me like say me never did own them. Hey, oh God, me really miss them. God, me really miss them. You see already, man, now? I'm gonna give them something again.
Last 30 seconds.
Last 30 seconds? Alright then. What me say again? Negativity, positivity, negativity, and positivity, and negativity, and positivity. What a style now? Me I go for the girl them now. What me see again? Everywhere me go, I forget a new girl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Call that the minimal. The girl the pussy little like is a decimal. One LawdGawd every girl. Every girl give me a mix. Me say every girl. Right then, green in a touch in the street.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Them dead?
they are dead. What? LawdGawd.
You know the thing, when artists about artists bad, you know.
LawdGawd.
So,
Right, that's
I
so.
this smell like, you see, the short period of time in coming to the music game. And the man go do him homework.
Right.
The man do him homework. So, for the artists, we do music 20, 30 years.
And
still
Iron
stuck
balloon.
in the past. You don't adapt, you don't graduate.
Iron
Remember,
balloons.
YouTube are the biggest university out there. Go and go YouTube something. Learn something new because the music has evolved in such a way
Definitely.
that if it don't evolve, you're dead. What them say, evolve are dead.
Yeah, right
See,
there.
this so. Can you tell for persons who don't follow you on social media yet, where can we find you on social media?
So upon the gram, Instagram that is, it's one LawdGawd. So one LawdGawd.
Yeah.
Same that goes from a Vivo, one LawdGawd Vivo. So same way it's spelled. Upon the Facebook, it's LawdGawd. So just type in LawdGawd.
It must pop up.
Spotify, a LawdGawd.
Right.
SoundCloud, a one LawdGawd.
Right.
Audio Mac, a one LawdGawd.
Right.
Yeah, so me I say what else? TikTok, a LawdGawd 2021.
Yes.
But the girl them alone can TikTok. Make sure you know that. Yes, what me I say.
Heard?
So the man them don't follow me on TikTok. The girl them can.
Yeah.
It's
For the girls them. Ladies, follow him on TikTok. Man, they moving Thank you for joining us, bro. Like, it's well appreciated. Yeah, so stick and stay, don't move. 3 minutes to the hour of 11 o'clock. We're going to talk about some parties for this weekend. Real quick. Today's Tuesday, Seafood Tuesdays. If you play music, sir, we're not hearing nothing.
One day if you go feel
Seafood Tuesdays is happening now until 11:30. You can still order some food, get your belly full. You know, down a bar, 133 to 135 Stoke Newton High Street. Don't know why I memorized that address, but yeah. Go over and get some food. On Thursday, Tipsy Thursday still happens in North London. Just look out for the details for that. Suave Friday happens every Friday. It's back. This week is a bag of people. I think DJ Dancehall King Shortman will be there, and Mixmasters UK will be there as their special guest. So go out, support, have some fun. What's happening in Bristol this weekend?
Yeah, Bristol.
Sorry, go ahead.
So in Bristol, you know, so the dancer them a go there.
Yeah.
TC, Rebel, Pretty.
Mm-hmm.
And I will be there performing
Yes.
and some other bad artists there as well.
Right.
Big up Raga Rookie as well.
Is it
He's there.
Saturday or Friday?
Saturday.
Right.
In Bristol. You
So-
don't know the thing is One Love Jam.
Okay.
They always keep a festival in Bristol. So the big festival in Bristol are always them keep it.
Right.
So Saturday can look out, you can find LawdGawd right there. So if you want support, you want to see the dancer them,
Forward.
who not get to see them already, because they have performed in a lot of places already. So if you not get to see them, or don't want to see them,
Right,
Bristol is the place to be.
Cool,
right
na
there.
man. Cool, na man. And we're kicking off the weekend. That was Saturday, but we're backtracking. Actually happening on Saturday as well. Buzz Nation, get ready for Bugsy Sound, presenting Chat and Laugh, Have a Buzz, the London Headphone Edition. DJ Lava, straight out of the US. He's a Chat and Laugh general. Location will be happening in London from 4 p.m. to 11 p.m. It's a ticket-only event. It's available on Eventbrite, so go over to Eventbrite and get your tickets. Music and pictures and security by the best of the best in London. So you don't know, go and support Bugsy Sound. Big up yourself.
More parties as well.
Quickly.
The 12-member Beans
Yes.
party, the all-white party at the
Yes.
12th. And then the 15th, the Killer Filler.
Yes,
CM
we're going to
with
talk
Chat and
about
Laugh.
Killer
15th.
Filler.
Right,
Right.
that's it. Isn't it? So big up.
So those of you in London those of you outside of London who don't get to forward down to London for the Chat and Laugh Have a Buzz show, jump over to Killer Filler happening. I mean, he's having his 17th year anniversary, the Cabana and Headphone Edition, Sunday the 15th of August, happening at a location in Birmingham. It's a day party. The dress code is all white. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner brunch from 12 p.m. to 12 a.m. Headphones being sold at £25. VIP Cabana, £950. Regular Cabana. Just link up DJ Killer Filler and get the necessary information for that. Happening then also on the 14th, Lady Riri is having her milestone birthday party. You don't know, say Lady Riri is a sister of ours. Essence, Dons and Divas, the headphone edition at a location in West Ham. £15 for headphones. Ladies and gentlemen, go and support our sister, Lady Riri, for her birthday party. We're going to forward down later on down in the month, the 28th of August. Sample and Rich Cut Barbers present a night called It a Work. It's this shorts and headphone edition at a location in West London. Bagger DJs, bagger performers, everybody, headphones for £20. Happening on the 29th. Park and Lime, which is an Upnlive show sponsored and endorsed event. MK presents that on the 28th of August as well. It's an official driving festival. Entertainment will be provided by Sir DJ Corey, Loyal Squad Mix Masters, Super Hype Sound, DTTP, DJ X1 Dream Team, and a bunch of. It's a day party, it's a family party. So bring your igloos, forward out and have a great time. And we don't know, so Bus Drivers Link Up was supposed to be held earlier this month.
Yeah.
It has been changed to the 29th of August at a new location as well. So if you haven't gotten your tickets, get your tickets.
Get your white clothes
It's
them
an
too.
all-white affair.
You know it thing go. And if you're not a white clothes, if you want to mix and match some old white clothes we have,
No,
get
just
a
do.
cake soap and soap them up properly and soak them about 2 days. You white them come back new.
Do what he said.
So when you got a bus driver link up,
You're
you
clean.
All right.
You understand? Ladies and gentlemen, just forward out. Have a great time. Be safe. It's 1 minute past 11. Thank you for joining us this week. We keep you updated on what's going to happen for next week because you don't know, we have to take care of business. So stick and stay. Thank you for supporting us. Remember to follow us on all social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Follow, like, share, subscribe. All-Star, your turn.
I want to say love your brother, love your sister, love rule in everything you do. I want to read a book, Them say brain power is the main power, Get to you if you can't wise, You better,
Feels to go way up on a mountain. So I should my pain in a fountain. With all of my flaws, we still potent. These are the stuff
In a real life.